One of the functions of the Texas Water Development Board is to serve as the state coordinating office for the National Flood Insurance Program. As a part of that, we work really closely to provide outreach and assistance to local officials to help them with their floodplain management programs. And part of that outreach includes these signs, which we purchased in collaboration with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. If you're interested in obtaining a sign, we work closely with local communities to get them to them. So local officials can contact us at flood@twdb.texas.gov. We'll work with them to decide, which cross streets might need those signs, and we'll coordinate on dropping the signs off and getting them to them.